That bell did not go off. I want to see everybody sitting down in their seats. Don't pack up nothing because I did not even distribute the homework. Y'all can't tell me I don't look like no sexy school teacher. Hey y'all, we got a package. So this company, ZEELOOL, sent me over these glasses just to try them out, see how I like them. And I wanted to come on here and show you guys. So I believe this was a part of their Christmas sale. They sent me over 6 pair of glasses. They come in their own little pouch. The pouch is like a suede material, very soft, and it doesn't look like it's going to scratch the shades of the glasses or the lens. They also came with their own wipe or microfiber dust wipe. I have 6 of those. And it also came with this PD ruler. So a PD ruler is basically a ruler to measure where the centers of your pupils are and to measure the distance between the centers. All right, so let's see what we got. I do know that these glasses are blue light blocking glasses, which means that they block or absorb blue light from the UV light or when you're looking at a certain type of screen. So that is a plus. It protects your eyes. We are definitely going to try those on today. So I will be trying these on, right? And I'm just going ahead and just taking them out of the pack, showing y'all a little bit before we get into the try on portion. These are regular glasses. I believe that they are all different styles and all different colors. And I know for a fact that out of these little 4 here, I have a favorite already. And these red ones there, they are bold. Ooh, so are those. They are bold, y'all. But they are still beautiful. I must have been really feeling this to be turning them all around because I ain't do that with the other super before. Cute. But yeah, y'all, this is the last pair. We're going to pull her out. A banger. Bomb. Right? Look at those, y'all. They are so pretty. So remember, I got these glasses from ZEELOOL. I will have a discount code in the description box below where you can get 10% off of your order. And I also will, list the website because they do still have some holiday sales going on. All right, so definitely check out the description box below. All right, so we just gonna get into the first pair. I'm not gonna go in no specific order. I'm gonna just pull the first ones out. Hold up. Let me use my little yeah. She is cute. She is so cute. Hold up. I'm coming. All right, so I'm definitely going to link everything in the description box below. And I'm also going to have the names of each pair of glasses right here. All right, so this is the first pair. Hold on, because my little ponies pushing them out. Ooh. Let's get into the deets. So we have like a bluish, brown, nude, tan little action going on. More so like marble. And I like the thickness of the band. I'm more so a skinny band type of girl, but these, they're not too thick. And I really like them. They're not too big on my face either. And I have on lashes and they're not like hitting the glass or anything. So I really like that as well. And it kind of matched the fit. What do you think? Yeah. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Here they are. And y'all see that print? I don't know what it's called. Marble. It looks like marble, like the print that you would get on your nails. But I think that they are super, super cute. Put her back in her little protective sleeve and her little blanket. On to the next. All right, so the next pair.
These are so cute. They remind me of this show that I used to watch when I was a kid. And I'm probably getting the name wrong, but I remember the show as the Jetsons, where it's like a spring off of the Flintstones, and it's like the Jetsons family and they live in space, you know. But here are the next pair. And remember, these glasses can come in prescription as well as just regular stylish glasses. You know how that goes. But I love these. They are, okay, don't get me wrong, I like them, okay? I like the blue and the green. I love the band, how it starts off a little thick and just, you know, slimmer in a bit. I love the shape. However, they are a little bold for me. I would be nervous to wear these, y'all. I really would, but they are super cute. They are. You know who I think would like these that I know? My sister. She's not scared, y'all, of anything. Color on the hair, the lips. She's not scared. But look at the inside. The inside has the blue trimming and the outside is white. Look at the up close. Y'all see the green? I love it. And then, ooh, get into it. Really cute. So next we have a very bold pair, okay? And again, I think my sister would like these too. I like them. They just have to be paired with the right set, okay? So here they are. Let me give y'all a close-up first this time so y'all can get the deets. All right, so they have glitter in them and rhinestones. I love rhinestones, whether it's on my nail, my glasses, my toes, my clothes, jewelry. I love rhinestones, okay? So these are so cute. Look at the band. Are these called legs or stands or just like eyeglasses handles? What are these part of the glasses called? Let me know in the comments what they are called, y'all, because I really don't know what to call them. But they are so cute. And I had to put on a shirt that had some type of red in it so y'all can get the gist and y'all just wouldn't judge it off of, you know, the green, because it really wouldn't have went with it. But look at them, y'all. Cute, right? Cute. All right, so these are a little big for my face. They come out a little bit wider and I feel myself having to push them back up. However, there is a lot of eyelash space, which is a plus. And I just think they're like really different. You know, I don't see too many girlies wearing glasses like this, but especially with the stones and the glitter and then the color. So I feel like these glasses are a statement piece, you know, not more of an everyday type of look, but I really like them. One more time. Y'all see the diamonds just shining? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. And y'all know y'all like my glasses. Cute, right? All right, let's get into the next pair. Oh, hold on, because I was putting them all up there. Let me open them up a bit so they can stand up. Cute, right? I'm going to show y'all my favorite pair. Well, I got two favorite pair. I like them all, but I'm going to show y'all my two favorite ones. Okay. How's that? Let's give it a little baffy. A little white down. And these little cloths, they perfect. And I love the fact that each one came with its own little cloth, because that's giving me 6 of them and I shouldn't lose not even one of them. Probably about 2, but I got plenty. That's the point that I'm getting at. I have plenty of them, so that's a bonus, you know. But these are the next here. Okay. First of all, look at the shape. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hectagon. I think that's a hectagon. If it's a hexagon, I'm sorry, but I think it's a hectagon. 7 sides. I love the skinny bands, okay? I love them. And these would be so cute with prescription, right? They are amazing. The trimming right here, as y'all can see, is pink. This is gold, or is it rose gold? It's giving more of a gold. Pink. Pink. But yeah, y'all had to change the fit so y'all could get the full gist of these glasses because they are so pretty. And these, I love dainty things. These are super dainty, right? And they fit my face perfectly. Perfectly. I like them. All right, my next favorite pair. I feel like every female, if you're into shades and everything, glasses, frames, whatever you want to call them, if you're into things like that and you know that you want to accessorize your outfits a little bit more and just add a pop of something, but that pop of something, you don't have it and that, you know, to match that fit, these will go perfectly. You cannot go wrong with a clear pair of glasses. You can't. And these here, they are giving high class, not just your regular schmegular degular clear glasses. Like, look at the silver handle. Look at the silver handle. They have silver trimming, y'all. They are super cute. And they look perfect with my hair. I love, like I said, I love the thin little handles. I love it. I see how it comes out right here and then go in. I like that. I like the shape. It's not just your normal oval or your normal square. And it's definitely not them hectagons. Because they were chef's kiss, honestly. But I like them. And remember, I'm going to put the name right here so y'all could go and get these ones. These exact ones. If not these, then definitely these. Okay? All right, so we're going to get into the last and final pair. And this pair, I'm going to put them on. And I want y'all to drop me down in the comments before I say it. Don't try to fast forward and then rewind and then give me the answer. But just imagine a profession, like some type of job. When I put these glasses on, I want y'all to tell me what kind of job it looks like I'm in, or what type of profession it looks like I'm in.
Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, you that need to be your own. That need to be your style.
And I'm gonna just sit just like this, because this is how I would be in this profession. It's not giving like sexy school teacher. It's not. No. All right. I think it is. Oh no. I'll wait. Because I know that's not my class acting like that. And I know it's not my class giving my sub a hard time. Y'all must not want that pizza party on Friday. It's not giving school teacher. It is, and y'all know it. Look at them. They not just your average glasses. First of all, let's get into the shape. It's giving a cat eye. Not a cat eye. It's giving a teardrop. Cat woman. And then the band is giving copper. Get into it. They are super cute. No? Yes. Y'all tripping if it's not. And then y'all see how, hold on, wait. Y'all see how the top part right here, it has the gold on it. So it's not this whole marble print, or I don't know what kind of print it is, but it's not that print all the way through. That bell did not go off. I want to see everybody sitting down in their seats. Don't pack up nothing, because I did not even distribute the homework. Y'all can't tell me I don't look like no sexy school teacher. But yeah, y'all, they were all so amazing. The shape of them, the fact that they do cancel out their blue light blocking, the fact that they are cute, and you can get prescription in them. I could see pretty good for now, so I didn't need them. But the fact that they look at my glasses. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I have a discount code and I will put it right here on the screen. So if you are interested in any of these pair of glasses, whether it's prescriptive or not, definitely check out the link down below in the description box. And I will also link the direct link to each pair of ZEELOOL's glasses. All right. So I just want to also say thank you to ZEELOOL for considering me, little old me. All right, I appreciate you guys for thinking about me. It was so fun trying on every pair of these glasses. My sister is trying to get her hands on them, and I'll probably get her a pair, maybe two, I don't know. They did send me over 6 pair and I'm very appreciative of that. But like I said, definitely check out their website. You can try the glasses on before you purchase them, and that's exactly what I did. I used their virtual tool on their website. I will put everything right here, and like I do a little screen record, but I use their website just to see which ones I actually liked and which ones would fit my face. Like I did say, majority of them all do fit my face. It's the red ones, I believe, that just are a little too big than the other pair, which is wide for my face. But the wideness is just my personal preference. It doesn't have anything to do with the shape, form, or frame of the glasses. It's just my face. They don't fit the shape of my face to the way that I like them. However, 5 out of 6, 6 out of 6, because they still cute. They're still cute, you know. I would throw it on for a pic or two for Instagram. Definitely with the right fit. All right, y'all, so that was the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and also turn on your post notification bell to all so you won't miss the next drop. All right, bye.